Another day, another dog walk. Where's she gone? There she is. In the Swiss Alps. I think we're in the Swiss Alps, aren't we? Must be. Yeah, it must be. Going down to the nice big old lake. We're going to put the drone on it. And I'm hoping as well that we're going to be able to let Honey off the lead for a little bit. Not long, a little bit. Let her run around the lake if no one else is down there. Who is it, Pooch? Who is it? It's Abby with...
Very hot.
Huh?
It's very hot.
Oh, very hot cups of coffee. Lovely. Right, okay. Let's do it. Look at her go. I know. Honey, this way. She's coming.
Hello.
Hey. Come sit. Good girl. Stay. I'll take your coffee. Stay. Yeah, I'll get her a treat as well.
Oh, you good
girl.
Man.
Very good. Honey. Oh, aren't you a good pooch? Aren't you a good pooch? Squirrel! Ah, we've finally seen a squirrel here, but now she's gone crazy for it. Honey, please.
I know, but you can't. No.
Not really. Finally got out onto the lake to ice skate. Now, I've been skating since, God, I can't even tell you, like 13 maybe younger. I'm now 28, and it's been one of my dreams to actually skate on a lake. And honestly, it feels really weird. It's very bumpy. It's not as flat as I expected it to be. You can't really complain when you're here skating and behind you are mountains and this kind of scenery. So, I mean, overall, I really am enjoying myself. I feel like it, and I get a bit lucky, I might go and use one of those in a second as well. So, oh God, the edges are not fun.
It looks hard, doesn't it?
Abby just watching me. Have a nice time. That's so funny. Get the trying to get the dog. Get that dog off the ice. Oh, they've got him. They've got it. That's very good fun.
Bueno.
Oh, I'm so red now. Oh dear, that was an experience. The guy just came and asked in the end. Like, I was trying to work up the courage to go and ask if I could have a go with a hockey stick, and he either overheard or just was like, do you want to go? And so I did. And I wasn't the best at it, but I was okay. I think Abi got a few clips of it, which is good.
Yeah.
It is bloody freezing now though, so we've got to go.
It's actually fun.
So I can't wait to we need to give these boots back, and then we're walking back for time for a stew and probably a Coca-Cola. So if you have watched any of it, or you're watching now, thank you. Subscribe for more. We will be coming back. We'll be doing some other adventures, and if honest, I could really do with some nice community that goes, that was some great skating, even though they know it wasn't.
You did well.
It was okay. So remember,
it's fucking freezing. I made me squat gloves with him, with the gloves that he's been skiing with all day with ice inside them.
look, I needed those little ones.
It's blowing an absolute hoolie. So the footage may not be 10 out of 10.
I hope it's 10 out of 10. I hope it's bloody 10 out of 10.
I've got bloody chilblains, or I don't know what that means, but...
That's not correct, no. I hope it is good, and then we'll all see if it's not. I'm sure it's good footage, though.